Hey friends, this is Latif Opier Val and welcome to the update on YFI token. In my earlier video, that I was showing you that after the breakout from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern, we had a very nice rally, but the price line is once again rejected by quite long-term resistance line. And this was my last video, by the way. Now, if you take a look at the live 7 day time frame chart, then this was the resistance line that I was showing you. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. That was previously breaking other resistance line here resistance on here and again worked as a very strong resistance. And now it has just touched this support zone, this very strong and long-term support zone, by the way. I have been showing you for the past several months or years that this can be a very strong support zone. In fact, a demand zone. By the way, this demand zone starts from $4,800 and goes to $4,019. Previously, we had a long spike inside this demand zone and we had a nice pump, but the price was rejected by the resistance of a bigger down channel. Then we broke out this channel. We had a nice pump, and again, we tested this demand zone here, and we had a nice pump. Now, after testing this demand zone here for several weeks, price then broke out the resistance of the wedge. Then, after the breakout from this wedge, in fact, when it was moving inside this wedge, when we tested this demand zone here, we broke out the wedge, then we had another very nice pump. And now you can see that once again, we had just touched this demand zone from 48 $100 to $4,019. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have just touched this demand zone here and geared up. And now we need to break out the next resistance of $6,900. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $6,900 was previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and for several weeks, it has been working as support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin, just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of January 2025 in my members. And here you can watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of YFI. And here you can see that recently we broke out this falling wedge pattern. And the target for the breakout that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos was here at the top of the wedge. That was at $11,240. That was a quite long-term resistance, by the way. That was previously breaking at the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And this time we had a long spike up to this long-term resistance on that starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. And after this rejection, now we have tested this very extreme demand zone. And by the way, here at $4,800, we also have the support of a horizontal channel as well. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have just touched this support of the channel and this demand zone that starts from $4,800 and goes to $4,019 and geared up. And now, if this time the price then hits the resistance of the channel after gearing up, it can hit the resistance again here. The resistance is here at $11,240, a very long-term resistance that I was showing you a few moments ago. And in case of breaking out this channel, this horizontal channel, the technical target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at this long-term resistance of $25,000. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And for several months, it has been breaking as a support here as well. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term down channel. And the long-term target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $95,000 to $100,000. This was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.